Hey there, entrepreneurs and future business owners. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that scares a lot of people, the SBA loan process. Now let's keep it real. You've probably heard it's confusing, long, a total paper chase, and just when you're about to give up, boom, that's when you finally get approved. And you know what? There's a little truth in that. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be a nightmare. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step through the SBA loan process, from that first conversation all the way to your wire hitting the account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect, how to prepare, and how to get across the finish line without losing your mind. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Pre-qualification. This is your first official touchpoint with the lender. Here's what usually happens. You speak with an SBA loan specialist, like me. You'll share some basic docs, tax returns, profit and loss, and what the loan is for. If it looks promising, we may issue a pre-qualification letter. But heads up, a pre-qual letter is not an approval. It just means the bank is interested and willing to take the next step. Step 2. Submitting the loan application package. Now we get serious. You'll need to submit a complete loan application package, which includes the SBA Form 1919, 3 years of tax returns, year-to-date profit and loss statement and balance sheet, a business overview including your revenue streams, trends, and your customers and competition, your personal financial statement, or SBA Form 413, outlining your personal assets, liability, and liquidity, and any supporting docs such as licenses, resumes, business plan, or projections. Once your package is complete, it moves to underwriting. Step 3. Underwriting. This is where the credit team takes over. They'll dig deep into cash flow, collateral, risks, and SBA compliance. And they'll probably have some questions, maybe about unusual expenses or revenue dips. This back and forth is a good thing. It's your chance to clarify and show that you understand the deal. This stage usually takes 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how quickly you and the seller respond. Step 4. Commitment letter. Underwriting gives the thumbs up, and now you get a commitment letter. This is your official approval. It outlines the loan amount, interest rate, repayment terms, any seller financing, and conditions you'll need to meet before closing. Read it carefully. If it all looks good, sign and send it back. You're now in the home stretch. Step 5. Post-approval and final due diligence. Now the bank does a final sweep. Think of it as a closing checklist. This usually includes UCC lien searches, review of any third-party reports such as appraisal, environmental, and business valuations, IRS tax transcript verification, business and sometimes life insurance, and lease agreement review, which must match the loan term. This takes 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how fast all parties move. There can be delays, like valuation timing, environmental report timing, or insurance. But don't worry, a good SBA lender, like me, will guide you every step of the way. Step 6. Closing the deal. You made it. Here's what happens. The closing attorney, a title company, or notary walks you through every doc, the note, the loan agreement, personal guarantee, the deed, purchase agreement, or any seller notes. You wire your equity injection either before or during the closing. Once the paperwork is in and your funds are verified, the bank wires the money, usually the same day or next day. And just like that, you're officially a business owner. And this is my favorite part, watching all of your hard work pay off. Yes, the SBA loan process is thorough, but it's thorough for a reason. You're not just getting a loan, you're buying a business. And this process is designed to protect you, the bank, and the future of your business. So if you stay organized, respond fast, and trust the process, you'll get it done. I'll be dropping my contact information below. Reach out if you want to talk about your deal. And remember, I drop new SBA lessons every week to help entrepreneurs just like you. So hit that like button, drop a comment if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.